Oh man, they're gonna lose. Ugh. Money! My butt. Man. My butt. Oh. Hey, my globe. Me birdie got shot. Ha! Ha! Whoa. What is this? Something's going on here. What's this? What's going on?
I thought it was great, and it's definitely made me think a little.
Man, what? Hey guys, you guys subscribe to this guy. He's pretty sick. This guy is sick. Totally sick in the balls. Whoa. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to him, you pretty much should subscribe. But thanks guys. Remember, rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe that's a good day. That's a good time. Okay, bye bye.